Everyone thinks the best-selling stovetop pressure cooker is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1. Presto 01781 Pressure Canner. The Presto 01781 Pressure Canner and Cooker. At around $165.99, this one caught my eye because it's not just a pressure cooker, it's also a canner recognized by the U.S. Department of Agriculture. If you want a reliable tool for preserving your homegrown produce, this is worth a serious look. So here's why this matters for you specifically. With a whopping 23-quart capacity, it can handle big canning jobs, perfect for when you're dealing with a garden harvest. The heavy-gauge aluminum construction means even heating, so you won't end up with burnt spots. Plus, the deluxe pressure dial gauge helps ensure that you're processing at the right pressure, which is vital if you're at a higher altitude. With over 1,000 people buying it in the past month, it's clear that folks are trusting this for their canning needs. Now, some people complained about the weight of this cooker, saying it can be hard to lift when full. Here's the thing though, if you're canning large batches, a little extra weight is a small price to pay for the capacity and durability you're getting. This is perfect for you if you're serious about canning or need a reliable pressure cooker for large meals. Skip this one if you're just looking for something small for quick weeknight dinners. Honestly, for the quality and capacity, it's a pretty good value. Now, if that weight concern bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Tefal 22-quart aluminum pressure canner. The Tefal 22-quart aluminum pressure canner priced at $119.99. What caught my attention is its impressive capacity and the fact that it includes racks and a detailed canning guide. If you're looking to master the art of home canning, this one could be a great fit. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With its 22-quart capacity, you can can up to 24 half-pint jars in one go. It allows you to preserve low-acid foods like meats and veggies safely, while also supporting boiling water canning for high-acid foods. Durability is also a highlight. The aluminum construction promises even heating and easy maintenance. Plus, with over 900 sold in the past month, it's gaining popularity for good reason. Now, I did notice some users mention that the locking lid can be a bit tricky to secure. However, for many, this is a minor issue when considering how well it performs overall. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, large-capacity canner that comes with easy-to-follow instructions. Skip this one if you're not interested in canning but just need a quick meal solution. For the features it offers, it's a solid value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for quick meals.
Product number 3, Tefal Calypso Stainless Steel Pressure Cooker, which you can grab for about $89.59. What really stands out is the one-hand easy open lid and adjustable pressure valve. If you want quick and healthy meals without the fuss, this could be worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This cooker can cook meals up to twice as fast compared to conventional methods, which means more time for you to enjoy dinner with family. The 6.3-quart capacity is great for large batches. Plus, it includes a steam basket and recipe booklet to get you started right away. It's also compatible with all stovetops, including induction, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. However, some users mention that the locking mechanism can be a bit finicky at times, but honestly, if you're careful and follow the instructions, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable cooker that makes quick meals. Skip this one if you want something specifically for canning. For the price and features, it offers solid value in everyday cooking. Now, if you're looking for something a bit smaller, the next product is just that.
Product number 4, Presto 01264 6-quart aluminum pressure cooker. The Presto 01264 6-quart aluminum pressure cooker, priced at $55.99. What caught my eye here is its lightweight design and efficiency. If you want a no-frills option that still gets the job done, this is worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This cooker is great for quick meals, cooking chicken, fish, and vegetables to perfection in no time. The pressure regulator maintains the proper cooking pressure automatically, so you don't have to worry about overcooking. Plus, with a 12-year limited warranty, it's built to last. In the past month alone, over 400 people have bought this, showing it's a reliable choice. Now, some folks mention that the aluminum material can scratch easily. Here's the thing though,
if you treat it with care, it shouldn't be a huge issue. This is perfect for you if you want an economical, efficient pressure cooker for everyday meals. Skip this one if you're looking for something with a larger capacity. Honestly, it's a great value for the performance you get. Now, if you're after something even more compact, let's check out the last product.
Product number 5, Imusa 4.2 quart Stovetop Pressure Cooker. The Imusa 4.2 quart Stovetop Pressure Cooker, retailing for $48.69. What intrigued me is its stylish design and ease of use. If you're looking for a compact option for smaller meals, this one might be just right. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a 4.2 quart capacity, it's perfect for cooking moderate-sized meals like soups and beans quickly. The aluminum construction distributes heat evenly and locks in moisture, ensuring your meals are flavorful and tender. Plus, the automatic pressure regulator adds an extra layer of safety, so you can cook with peace of mind. However, some users noted that the pressure can take a little longer to build up than larger models. But honestly, if you're not in a rush, that's a small trade-off for the compact design. This is perfect for you if you're just cooking for 1 or 2 people and need something easy to handle. Skip this one if you frequently cook for larger gatherings. For its price and functionality, it's a smart buy.
So there you have it. We've covered the Presto 01781, Tefal 22 quart, Tefal Clipso, Presto 01264, and Imusa 4.2 quart, each catering to different needs and preferences. Whether you're canning, cooking for a family, or just need something compact, there's a pressure cooker here for you.